They say penguins can't fly, but today's the day I touch the sky.
Welcome to Ammu&You, the penguin who wanted to fly. Far, far away in the icy land of Antarctica, there lived a curious little penguin named Penny. Penny loved sliding on ice and swimming in the cold blue sea. But she had one big dream. She wanted to fly like the seagulls. She just wished that she would be able to do so. Her friends laughed very kindly because they knew that it will not be possible.
Oh, if only I had wings that worked, I would soar across the sky and touch the clouds.
Sally the seal was swimming nearby and overheard everything that Penny was speaking to himself.
But penguins can't fly.
Maybe. Not just yet.
The next morning, Penny climbed up a tall icy hill. She spread her flippers wide and shouted, "Here I go!" She jumped and whoosh and splash right into the snow she fell. Undeterred, she tried again and again because she never believed in giving up. The next time she flapped faster and even ran before leaping sound. But thud, she fell flat on her belly again. Because children, penguins can't fly. Her best friend Sammy, the seagull, swooped down and said,
Penny, flying is about finding your way in the sky. Or maybe in your own way.
But Penny didn't understand this yet. That afternoon, the ocean waves grew rough. A baby fish trapped near the ice was screaming for help.
Help, help, help! The water's too strong.
Without thinking, Penny dove right in with a big splash. She twisted, turned, and glided gracefully through the freezing water. She reached the fish, nudged it towards safety. Sammy was amazed.
You were flying in the water. It was so amazing.
Penny blinked. She had been so fast, so free, just like the birds above her. She couldn't believe what she had done. She climbed back on the ice, smiling wider than ever. Penny said,
Maybe I don't need to fly in the sky. I can fly in the water.
She dove again, spinning joyfully through the bubbles, her flippers moving like wings. All her friends gathered and clapped and cheered. Sometimes your dream comes true just in a different way. So we must all appreciate our own kind of magic. Penny wanted to fly in the sky, but finally, where did she fly? In the water, and that is what she learned. I'm sure you love this story. You all must be having a dream. Find your own dream and go for it. Thank you for listening to the story. Please like, share, and subscribe. Wait for me, Ammu, when I come back again with another story to narrate to you. Till then, Ammu says, ta-ta.